One, two.
This week's episode, filmed in front of a live Studio Adam.
こんにちは、コベントリーキッチンのエピソード6にようこそ。
今日はチキンカツカレーを作ります。
カツカレー大好き。
私も。
Enough nonsense. Adam, where does the chicken katsu curry come from? Japan, of course. Yeah, right? You have to tell a story, Adam. I don't know any stories. Make it up. Oh. Yeah. Oscar usually does this. Well, chicken katsu curry was originally made by Katsu, who was a Japanese farmer who farmed pigs. That doesn't make any sense. That's history.
So Luke, what goes into a chicken katsu curry?
Well, for a chicken katsu curry, first you're going to prepare some chicken and then Oh, Oscar, how you going?
I'm back!
You're alive?
Who gave me a haircut?
Oh.
Well, now that you're back, maybe it's best I go on the streets.
That sounds good with me.
Alright, I'll see you soon.
Oh! Take the car.
What is he actually going to get?
I don't know. So Luke, what are we cooking today?
Well, today we're going to cook a chicken katsu curry.
Chicken katsu curry? Amazing. Isn't that the dish that Lord Katsu made for his hungry servants?
Yes, Oscar, I believe it is. Now, Oscar, why don't you walk us through what we need for today's dish?
Sure thing. Well, this is what we need to make chicken katsu, which is kind of like chicken schnitzel.
Well, they're completely different. But we also need some veggies. And here at Coventry Kitchen, we like to be sustainable, so we actually grow all of our own vegetables and have done so for the entire show. So what do we have here, Oscar?
Well, from last year's planting, looks like we got some onions, good crop. Some nice brushed potatoes and, oh, beautiful, some carrots as well.
Oh, nice and fresh.
Is that everything we need?
I think that's literally everything we need.
What a bountiful harvest we had this year.
Alright, let's get started.
Alright, let's cut these carrots up.
Oh, no. We don't need this, Oscar. I'll show you something cool. Just stand back. Look at that.
Oh, impressive. I'm gonna give it a go.
I don't know, Oscar. I trained for years to be able to do that. It's pretty dangerous.
I got this.
Now that everything's chopped up, you want to start by sauteing the onions.
Now we're going to add some oil to our pan and turn it up to medium-high heat.
Now the oil's nice and hot, add the onion and start sauteing. Once the onion's sauteed, add the remaining veggies. While this is cooking down, do you want to get the breading station ready, Oscar?
Okay, so to make chicken katsu, you basically want to get your chicken coated in flour, then egg, and then panko breadcrumbs. It's a pretty easy process. It's as simple as you just go flour, egg, and your breadcrumb. And it's just that easy. Now all you have to do is rinse and repeat with your other chicken. But don't actually rinse it, because that undoes all the hard work you've just done.
Now that your veggies have been frying up for a bit, add about 3 or so cups of water.
All done.
Looks great. We just want to bring this to the boil, let it simmer, and that should be it. Now that your veggies have been simmering for about 7 to 8 minutes, you should add the curry. Did you finish this off?
No, I didn't touch it. let's make some chicken katsu. We want to get a good amount of oil in this pan because we're going to shallow fry these cutlets. That's suitable. And then you want to turn your pan to high heat.
It's okay.
Now let's lay this cutlet in away from yourself into the oil. This looks good. Let's give it a flip.
Now to serve, cut your cutlets up into just nice strips.
Oh,
Here we go.
This is looking very good. And you know what I say? It's always best to enjoy a chicken katsu curry with a Boss iced coffee.
What do you think, Oscar? I'm pretty proud of this one. Okay.
That is putrid. What the hell are you thinking serving that up to me? That is the worst thing I've ever tasted in my life. And you know I don't even like chicken katsu. You know I prefer pork katsu. Why did you make me bread that chicken when I don't even like the final product? Do you know how much I've been through this past week? And this is how I get welcome back to Coventry Kitchen with a chicken katsu curry? Are you even joking right now? What do I even put in effort for? Oh. You and you.
You know, maybe you were a bit hard on him, Oscar.
It's actually not too bad, to be honest.